Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best PEX Valve Kit is probably one of the most important components for your shower system, offering a reliable and efficient way to control water flow and temperature. This kit simplifies the installation process with its pre-assembled design and durable PEX connections, ensuring a leak-free and long-lasting performance. Whether you're a seasoned plumber or a DIY enthusiast, this kit provides everything you need for a hassle-free upgrade. Number 5. Moen Pact Posi-Temp Shower Valve FP62325PF. Introducing the Moen Pact Valve System. This innovative design allows you to update your faucet's look without touching the plumbing. It's a simple and convenient solution for any bathroom renovation. This valve features a 1-2-inch connection size, making it compatible with most standard plumbing systems. It ensures a secure and reliable fit for your shower setup. You can install it with confidence. The valve includes a Posi-Temp pressure balancing control. This feature maintains consistent water temperature, preventing sudden changes. It provides a safe and comfortable shower experience. The valve uses a 1222 cartridge, known for its durability and performance. This ensures long-lasting reliability. It's designed to withstand daily use. This valve is designed for easy installation with crimp ring PX connections. It has 3 ports for versatile plumbing configurations. This makes the installation process straightforward. Moen stands behind the quality of this shower valve with a limited lifetime warranty. This provides peace of mind, knowing that the product is built to last. It's a testament to its quality and durability. What we like. This valve features the Pact system, which allows you to update your faucet style in the future without replacing any plumbing. It also ensures consistent water temperature with its pressure balancing control. If you're looking for a long-term solution that offers flexibility and ease of upgrade, you should consider this. What people say. Love the direct PX connections. Very easy to install. The simple design works great with the trim kit. The valve itself looks like good quality and you don't need to mess with any connections to get it to work with PX since the connections are already there. Number 4. Moen 8373 HD Brass Posi-Temp Shower Valve. Introducing the Moen Posi-Temp valve, designed to maintain consistent water temperature in your shower. This innovative feature ensures a comfortable and safe showering experience, every time. This valve features a heavy-duty brass single-handle tub shower cartridge. It's built to last, providing reliable performance and durability for years to come. The Moen valve utilizes a 1-2 crimp ring PX shower valve kit connection type. This allows for easy and secure installation, making it a great choice for both new construction and renovations. The Moen Posi-Temp valve has 4 ports, offering versatile plumbing options. This design allows for easy integration into your existing shower system. This product is backed by Moen's 5-year limited warranty. You can have peace of mind knowing that it's built to last and supported by a trusted brand. Tested beyond industry standards, this valve is designed to handle real-world wear and tear. It is designed to perform like new for decades. What we like. This valve uses Posi-Temp technology to maintain water temperature, providing a comfortable and safe shower experience. The heavy-duty brass construction ensures durability and longevity. If you value reliability and consistent performance, this is the one for you. What people say. This also has the shut-offs at the valve, which is very convenient for installation and maintenance. The PEX fittings make it really easy to install. Moen has had this design around for a very long time and it has been proven to stand up for years of abuse. Number 3. Moen U130 XSM Core Shower Mixing Valve. This valve has pressure balancing capabilities. It's designed to control temperature fluctuations if the water pressure changes in your home. This feature ensures a comfortable and safe shower experience. The valve allows you to adjust the water flow. This gives you greater control over your shower experience. You can easily customize the water volume to your preference. You can choose from a variety of trim styles. This includes perfectly matched mixing and transfer trim. This allows you to customize the look of your shower. This valve's design is adaptable. It allows for changes in functionality and style without removing or changing the valve itself. This provides flexibility for future updates. It features an integrated mounting bracket. This secures the valve directly to a brace, making installation easier. This design helps save time during the installation process. The valve offers a precise temperature limit stop adjustment. The integrated test cap allows installers to easily flush and test the system. This simplifies the installation and maintenance. M-Core mixing and transfer valves come in several plumbing options. These options are available to meet the needs of different installers. This ensures compatibility with various plumbing setups. What we like. This valve offers volume control, allowing you to adjust the water flow to your preference. Its versatile design allows for future style changes without replacing the valve. If you like having full control over your shower experience and the option to easily update your bathroom's look, you should consider this. What people say. Solid build. Easy to install. Works well. The valve operates smoothly, providing precise temperature control, which makes for a comfortable shower experience every time. The build quality is solid, and I appreciate the reliability Moen products always offer. Number 2. American Standard RU107E Flash Shower Valve. This valve offers fast and easy installation without adapters, which reduces potential leak points. It features various connection options, making the setup straightforward. The valve body is made of cast brass, a durable material ideal for continuous water contact. This ensures the product's longevity and reliability. The flat back design allows the valve to be mounted flush against the cross brace. This feature ensures easy and solid installation. It includes a test cap, allowing the valve body to be tested and flushed without the cartridge. You can test it with air at 200 psi or water at 300 psi. The stainless steel retaining ring secures the test cap and cartridge. The flats on the ring make it easy to loosen for quick insertion or removal. The PEX elbow connections also provide fast and easy installation without adapters. This design further minimizes potential leak points. Its symmetrical design allows the valve body to be rotated 180 degrees. This accommodates supply lines from either the floor or the ceiling. What we like. This valve provides a choice of connections for easy installation, reducing potential leak points. The cast brass valve body ensures durability. If you are looking for a valve with flexible installation options and a robust build, this is a great choice. What people say. Great valve for amateur installation. PEX connections are amazing. The valve is easily changed with a screw-on collar, which in my opinion is superior to several screws and a tension plate. We refurbished our bathroom, it worked perfectly. I've installed it and so far it works good. Number 1. Moen M-Core 3-port shower mixing valve. This valve is designed to maintain a consistent water temperature. It helps to control fluctuations, ensuring a comfortable shower experience even with pressure changes in your home. Easily adjust the water flow to your preference. This feature gives you greater control over your shower, allowing you to customize it to your liking. Choose from a range of styles to match your bathroom decor. The trim options include perfectly matched mixing and transfer trim, enhancing the overall look. The adaptability of this valve allows for future updates without replacing it. You can easily change the functionality and style without removing or changing the valve itself. Installation is made easier with the integrated mounting bracket. This feature secures the valve directly to a brace, saving you time and effort during the installation process. It offers a precise temperature limit stop adjustment. The integrated test cap allows installers to easily flush and test the system without removing or installing the cartridge. The valve is available in several inlet and outlet plumbing options. This ensures that it can meet the needs of various installers and plumbing configurations. What we like. This valve offers volume control, allowing you to adjust the water flow to your preference. Its versatile design allows for future style changes without replacing the valve. If you like having full control over your shower experience and the option to easily update your bathroom's look, you should consider this. What people say. Item is a great Moen quality. After hopping between websites and figuring out what fits it, you can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.